Hello. Umbria. Umbria is situated in central Italy. It is the only region with no coastline. The regional capital is Perugia. The region is hilly with mountains and valleys. The region is famous for its landscape, traditions, history, cooking and art. The river Tiber flows through Umbria. Umbria is divided into two provinces, Perugia and Terni. Lake Trasimeno lies south of the River Po and north of the River Tiber. Marmor Falls is a man-made waterfall created by the ancient Romans. Its source is the river Velino. Umbria is bordered by Tuscany in the west, Marche in the east, and Lazio in the south. Umbria is partly hilly and mountainous. In the Tiber Valley, the land is flat and fertile. Part of the central Apennines lies in Umbria. The highest mountain is Monte Vettore, or Vettore, on the border of Marche. Umbria is the only region with no coastline or border with another country. The city of Castello in Umbria has an enclave called Monte Ruperto, which belongs to Marche. There are two valleys in Umbria, the Umbrian Valley from Perugia to Spoleto, and the Tiber Valley west of Perugia from Città di Castello to the border with Lazio. The Tiber River forms the approximate border with Lazio. The Tiber's three main tributaries flow southward through Umbria, the Topino, the Nera and the Chiascio. The economy. The largest industrial factories are centralized in the Terni and Perugia areas. The rest of the region is made up of small factories and artisans. Ceramics, wickerwork, wrought iron and furniture. Many artisans make ceramics, some do wicker chairs and others do wrought iron or handmade furniture. Some of the industries are Terni steelworks, in the automotive industry, stainless steel tubes, industrial food facilities. Multinational companies in the area of chemicals and clothes. Furniture, hydroelectrics, renewable energies, textiles. The ornamental ceramics industry is also famous in the region of Umbria. The food industry produces processed pork meats, sweets and chocolates. Agriculture. Tobacco, olive oil, vineyards. One famous wine is Orvieto. The black truffle found in Valnerina, pasta, cheese, livestock raising, especially pigs, is extensive. Wheat, corn, potatoes, sugar beets are grown. Bye-bye.